straight down.
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm right.
No. There.
We'll compromise. You say 50-50.
No.
Probably ain't going to go too fast, is it?
Not funny.
You pedaling this?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going the wrong way. The arrows, Luce, the arrows. You got to think about not seeing arrows, don't you? Over the bump, guys, you ready? Right, just say hi to the camera.
Hi. She's not in a good mood.
You know, fun is what you make of it. Isn't it?
Yeah, you're robbing my saying.
Obviously, we're philosophically alike.
Was it faster? Just over the speed bump slower.
They knew what they were doing when they sent it to Britain.
No, you said so, Mum, so we're going to say. Get over the speed bump. No, it's too late.
Right, look, you can sit here for a bit.
Huh?
Sit here, Beck. Speed bump. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Don't feel on the seat.
Stop, I'm getting off.
You good, Mum?
She's alright, you're right. The knees won't be tonight. She's alright.
Yep.
Does anyone want to wear a hat?
How's your day been, Lou?
Me.
It's overkill.
I've only just woke up.
Oh.
I don't know yet.
Yeah, but
That's where Lucy belongs, just in the dustbins. Oh!
Luce, don't do videos too long.
I'm not videoing. Click.
Okay, that's enough now.
Are you having fun back there, guys?
Really am, you know.
Are you having fun? Yeah. I'm having lots of fun, yeah. I turned out. We're stuck a little bit. Oh. You can't even push it.
Pull the handbrake on.
No.
Will you leave the stick alone?
I like the stick. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Go.
Yes. That's it.
What's this?
Woohoo! Have it, Gromit.
That was really anticlimactic. My shoes! Don't get the shoes wet.
Oh, get your shoes wet.
Missed it.
Are we really? Is that where we are?
Disappointed. You're gonna go on the grass? Right, we're gonna get stuck again. Anybody need a wee wee? We're gonna get stuck.
Yeah, we will.
We're gonna get stuck. Oh, actually not, actually. Back window!
Back window where there's only one back window. Hey!
Lando! Lando!
Park.
Lando! Hello!
We're stuck again. Just saying.
Oh,
This didn't happen when I was in the back, did it?
Can't help it.
Right, forward, best foot forward. Go.
Yay!
Put some bollocks on it, get it?
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh. All right. Stones backwards.
Mummy, we're not supposed to do it like that.
No, you know Flintstones, but put their feet on the ground, Beck. You didn't watch the Flintstones.
We're
I'm too short.
There you go.
I'm too short for the ground. I'm just going like that on thin air. They're being faster than us then. Whoa. And look at them things there.
Whoa.
Tractor! Tractor drive!
You can pedal if you want to.
We're not allowed.
As long as it's up there we don't see you. It's private.
As long as you get out of this side, because that's all part.
Everyone say hello YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Wow, enthusiasm.
Hi YouTube!
Too enthusiasm.
Hi YouTube.
Sorry, put it in your pocket.
Just stabbed me with that bloody phone. Ah. Someone get down there, can I pedal? I'll be really good.
We get past the shop.
I reckon,
I'm going.
take us to the caravan. We'll have a cup of coffee. And then Luke can have a ride around. How's that sound? Sound good?
No, because then we're wasting time.
You haven't been pedalling for an hour, Luke? What?
Oh,
20 minutes. Right, Luke. Luke. I mean, loose. Let Luke have a go. Let Luke have a go if you want. There you go on.